put 1277. The question name is count square submatrix with all ones. It is a medium level question of Leetcode. So we are given a m cross n matrix of ones and zeros, and we need to return how many square submatrices are present in that particular matrix. So basically, let's take this example. So this has these elements, and we need to find the number of submatrix which are forming a square of ones. So numbers are, this is getting a one matrix, this is getting one, this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So for 1 cross 1 matrix we are getting n such submatrix. For 2 cross 2 we are getting this, we are getting this, we are getting this, also we are getting this. So basically we are getting 2 4 2 2 4 2 cross 2 matrix. And similarly for 3 by 3 we are getting single 3 by 3 matrix. So for 3 by 3 matrix we are getting single. So if we sum it up, it will get 15, and we will just return this answer. So how will we approach this answer is what I will do is I will be using a DP. So I will first make an array of m cross n, and I will store the first row and first column as it is, and I will also maintain a answer count which will just return the number of matrix I have found, the squared matrix. So for the DP I will just store the first matrix as it is, and I will increment the answer whenever I will be getting 1. So it shows a possibility of 1 cross 1 matrix. So how many ones are there? So basically there are 3 ones. And for the first column, what I will do is I will perform the operation from the second row, because I have calculated the first row for all the columns which I have iterated. So I have iterated on the first column for all the first row for all the columns, and for the first column I will leave the first row and I will start from the second row to the end of the row. So I will store 1 as it is and 0 as it is, and how many ones are there? 1. So I will increment the answer by 1 and it will become 4. So as far as you can see, there are 4 possibilities of 1 such matrix. Now what my next element is 1. So it can only perform form 1 by 1 matrix, which is this one. So it will get the minimum of these 3 values and will increment 1 to it. So the minimum of 1 0 and 1 is 0 only, and I will increment 1 to it. It will become 1. I store it here and increment 4 by 1 and it will become 5. Whenever I will encounter 0 value, I will just leave it and move to the next value. For this again, what I will see in my fourth and all the 3 directions, what is the minimum value? So It is 1 here, it is 1 here, it is 1 here. So minimum is 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. I store it here and increment it by 2. So basically 5 plus 6, it will become 7. Okay. So similarly I will do the next step. I will see what is the minimum. I'm getting 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. I will increment this by 2. 8, 9, and for this I will look at all the three directions. What is the minimum? It is 0. I will increment 1 to it. It will become 1 and it will also become 10. Similarly for this index, this is 1, so we will perform the same operation. What is the minimum of the in the three direction? It is 1, so I will also increment 1 to it. It will become 2, and it will become 2, and I will increment 10 by 2 and it will become 12. For the last index, what is it? It is 1, so I will perform the same operation. What is the minimum of these three values? It is 2 only, so I will increment 1 to 2. It will become 3, and I will increment 12 by 3, so it at final it will become 15, and 15 will be my answer, and I will return the answer. So this is the code. So let's see the code. This is my solution class, and this is the function which is accepting a matrix, 2D matrix. And first of all I will initialize answer by 0, and I will calculate the number of rows and store it as in M, and I will also calculate the number of columns in matrix. I will be forming a DP to like basically store all the dimensions. So for the what I will be doing is for the first, I will start from the second row and I will go till the last row, and I will check if the matrix value at that particular row of 0th column is 1 or not. If it is 1, I will increment the answer by 1, and I will set the same index of DP as the value itself. I will perform the same operation for row 1 also for all the columns, and if whenever that particular value is 1, I will increment the answer and will like set the value of that in DP as the value itself. Now what I'll do, I will start from 1 by 1 matrix, 1 by 1 index. So I will start from I equal to 1 and z equal to 1, and I will look at all the three directions and find the minimum of all the values in the three direction. So first of all what we'll do is check whether that particular value is 0 or not. If it is 0, we will continue and will not perform any operation. We will go to the next step. But if it is 1, we will find the minimum of all the three directions, and I will increment the answer by the minimum plus 1, and I will also set the DP of ij equal to minimum plus 1. After performing all the addition, at last I will be determining the